Well, Cory's hard at work over here, welding in some steel into the foot pads, or whatever, the steps. And yeah, I'm just kind of hanging around. He's doing a great job though, thanks buddy.
Not very good of a cut, but that's okay.
Let's see the finished product. Yeah, buddy, nice.
Moment of truth. Oh, it's upside down. Yeah, so definitely gonna have to take some out of there. It's the magic stick.
Alright, here's what Cory's been hard at work. Getting some new metal in there. Looking good, looking solid. Now I can actually step there again. That'll be good. Alright, here's the welder. Thanks for doing that, buddy. You did a good job.
Did I?
Yeah, oh, 100% you did.
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy. Alright, that's a wrap on the welding video. Starring Cory. Alright, we good? You good?
You should probably close this, right?
Yeah. All right.